Good evening everyone. Now we will discuss chapter number 11 of 8th standard, that is the name of chapter number 11, algebraic expression. In this chapter we will study about algebraic expressions such as monomial, binomial, trinomial, polynomial and degree of polynomial, coefficient variable, etc. Okay, so first we discuss about some basic concept of this chapter. First is fundamental concept. There are two type of symbol in algebra. This chapter is algebraic expression is the unit of the algebra. So there are two type of symbol in algebra. First is constant and second is variable, and the other name of variable is literals. Okay, there are two types of symbol. First is constant and second is variable. And what is the constant? A symbol which has a fixed numerical value is called a constant. Like as 9. 9 is a constant क्योंकि 9 की वैल्यू 9 के अलावा कुछ नहीं लिख सकते. √2 is a constant, 3 is constant, 5 is constant. If any number has numerical value, then this numerical value is a constant. Next is variable or literals. What is the variable? A symbol which is not constant is called a variable. जो constant नहीं है वो क्या कहलाएगा? हमारा variable कहलाएगा. Originally हम variable को किससे denote करके चलते हैं? Like as X, Y, Z, P, Q, R, A, B, C, D of this type. Okay. Next is algebraic expression. What is algebraic expression? An algebraic expression is a combination of constant and variable. किसी भी expression में अगर constant और variable आते हैं और combination बनता है उन दोनों का, तो वो हमारा algebraic expression होगा. Which are connected by one or more symbol like as plus, subtraction, multiplication and division. If constant and variable in any expression and connected by plus or minus, subtraction, multiplication of this type sign, then this is algebraic expression. For example, 2xy plus z plus 8. This is an algebraic expression because there is 2 is constant, xy these are variable, z variable, 8 a constant, and these are connected by plus and multiplication sign. Okay, this is algebraic expression. Now next is a term of an algebraic expression. The various part of an algebraic expression separated by plus or minus sign are called the term of algebraic expression. किसी भी algebraic expression में जो सेपरेट करेंगे हम प्लस और माइनस से, जो सेपरेट होंगी हमारी वही टर्म्स कहलाएंगी, जबकि मल्टीप्लिकेशन और डिवाइड से हमारी टर्म सिंगल ही रहेगी. ओके, जैसे 2xy प्लस z प्लस 8, प्लस साइन से जो सेपरेटेड होती हैं वो हमारी टर्म्स होंगी. जैसे इन दिस एक्सप्रेशन देर आर 3 टर्म्स, फर्स्ट, सेकंड एंड थर्ड, बट दिस इज नॉट 3 टर्म, दीज आर कनेक्टेड बाय मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड दिस इज ओनली सिंगल टर्म. ओके, टर्म सेपरेटेड बाय प्लस और माइनस साइन. Constant term. What is constant term? A term of algebraic expression having no literal factor is called the constant term. Means जिसमें कोई variable ना हो तो वो कौन सी term कहलाएगी? वो constant term कहलाएगी. जैसे algebraic expression है, यहाँ जो 4 है वो हमारी कौन सी होगी? constant term होगी, क्योंकि इसके साथ कोई भी हमारा variable नहीं है, कोई भी literal factor नहीं है. Next is types of algebraic expression. There are some types of algebraic expression. First is monomial, second is binomial, and third is trinomial. What is monomial? An algebraic expression which contains only one term. किसी भी algebraic expression में अगर एक ही टर्म है तो उसको हम monomial बोलेंगे. जैसे ये algebraic expression है, this is only single term. 3 is single term, this is only single term. These are monomial. These are monomial. Binomial, an algebraic expression having 2 term is called binomial. जिस algebraic expression में 2 terms हैं उनको हम क्या बोलेंगे? binomial बोलेंगे. For example, 3x square plus 5y. In this expression there are 2 terms. This is first and this is second. If there are 2 terms, then this is binomial. Next is trinomial. What is trinomial? An algebraic expression having 3 terms is called a trinomial. जिसमें 3 terms है वो क्या कहलाएगा? Trinomial. For example, this is algebraic expression, and in this expression there are 3 terms, first, second, and third. So this is a trinomial. Monomial having only 1 term, binomial 2 term, trinomial 3 terms. Okay. Next is what is the product? What is a product? When 2 or more expression, that is constant or variable or both, are multiply with each other, the multiplication is called the product. जब 2 से या 2 से ज़्यादा एक्सप्रेशन, चाहे वो कांस्टेंट है, चाहे वो वेरिएबल है, या उसमें दोनों भी आ सकते हैं, जब एक दूसरे से मल्टीप्लाई है तो वो क्या कहलाएगा? प्रोडक्ट कहलाएगा. जैसे फॉर एग्जांपल 7xyzp इज द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ, किस किस का प्रोडक्ट है? 7xyzp, इन सब का प्रोडक्ट है, तो ये क्या कहलाएगा? हमारा प्रोडक्ट कहलाएगा. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज व्हाट इज द फैक्टर. नेक्स्ट पॉइंट इज फैक्टर. एंड व्हाट इज फैक्टर? Each of the quantity, constant or variable or both, multiply together, which form a product is called a factor. जो क्वांटिटी कांस्टेंट और वेरिएबल की हैं, दोनों की हो सकती हैं, जो एक दूसरे से मल्टीप्लाई हुई हैं, वो क्या एक प्रोडक्ट बनाती हैं. और अगर उन सभी टर्म्स को हम अलग करें तो वो उसको क्या कहलाएंगे? फैक्टर. फॉर एग्जांपल, इफ देयर इज द प्रोडक्ट 3xyz एंड दिस इज द प्रोडक्ट, बट 3xyz, these are the factor of this product. Okay. And constant factor means जिसमें वेरिएबल ना हो वो हमारा constant factor, और लिटरल फैक्टर जिसमें हमारे वेरिएबल हैं तो वो हमारा कहलाएगा लिटरल फैक्टर. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ वी हैव एन एक्सप्रेशन -4/3 xy², द न्यूमेरिकल फैक्टर इज -4/3 मीन्स constant factor -4/3, एंड xy² x सिंगल y या y² या xy² या ओनली xy, these are the factor of this expression. Okay. Next is there is the note. Every factor of quantity divide the quantity completely. For example, factor of 15x or 15 and x, because 15x is completely divisible by 15 and x. We know about this. Every factor of quantity divide the quantity complete. कोई भी फैक्टर किसी भी क्वांटिटी को अगर वो उसका फैक्टर है तो उसको क्या करेगा? completely डिवाइड करेगा. Okay. Next is what is the coefficient? What is the coefficient? Any factor of a term of an algebraic expression is called the coefficient of the remaining factor. The constant part is called the numerical coefficient, and the little factor is called a little coefficient. Okay. For example, if we have an expression of this type 7x² plus 3xy³ plus 2, then the term 3xy² have, if in this term, then if 3 is the constant coefficient of xy³ and the little coefficient of x, if we take the coefficient of x, then the remaining term 3 and y³, these are the coefficient of x. If we find the coefficient of y³, then the remaining is 3x, these are the coefficient of y³. Okay. Note, if no coefficient is written before a little, then the coefficient is always taken 1. अगर कोई भी कोफिशिएंट नहीं लिखा गया है वेरिएबल के साथ तो उसका कोफिशिएंट क्या होगा? 1. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ वी हैव सिंगल x, इफ वी फाइंड द कोफिशिएंट ऑफ x, देन व्हाट इज द मल्टीप्लाई विद x? देन 1. देन कांस्टेंट कोफिशिएंट ऑफ दिस x इज 1. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज like and unlike terms. What is like and what is unlike term? The terms having same literal coefficient are called like term. कोई भी टर्म जिसमें क्या हो? सेम लिटरल फैक्टर मीन्स वेरिएबल कोफिशिएंट सेम है उनको बोलेंगे लाइक टर्म्स, और जिसके जो वेरिएबल कोफिशिएंट आर नॉट इक्वल, देन दिस इज अनलाइक टर्म. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, 3xy² minus 8y²zx, this and this are like term because the variable coefficient of all the terms is xy² z. There is xy² z, there is also xy² z, there is also xy² z, x, y square and z. These all the terms are like term because variable coefficient are same. जितने भी variable coefficient है वो सारे के सारे क्या सेम, तो ये कौन सी होंगी like term. And 5abc minus 4a square bc, these are not like because coefficient of variable coefficient abc but there is a square bc, so these are not like term, these are unlike term. Next is polynomial. What is polynomial? In monomial there is only one term, in binomial there is only two term, and in trinomial there is three term. But in polynomial, poly means more, greater, ज़्यादा. पोलिनोमियल इसका मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा टर्म हो, कई टर्म हो, जिसमें एन एल्जेब्राइक एक्सप्रेशन इज कॉल्ड अ पोलिनोमियल इफ द पावर ऑफ द वेरिएबल इन इस टर्म आर नॉन नेगेटिव इंटीजर. कई टर्म हैं और उसमें क्या हो, एल्जेब्राइक एक्सप्रेशन को पोलिनोमियल कब बोलेंगे हम, इफ द पावर ऑफ द वेरिएबल इन ईच टर्म आर नॉन नेगेटिव इंटीजर. हर एक टर्म में जो वेरिएबल की पावर है वो नॉन नेगेटिव इंटीजर है, तो हमारी क्या कहलाएगा, पोलिनोमियल. For example, if we have this expression, there is the power of variable x4, power of variable x cube, power of variable 1, and these are constant. So this is polynomial because there are any variable in which terms are non-negative integer. Okay, and this is also polynomial. कोई because यहाँ variable की कोई भी power non-negative नहीं है, negative नहीं है. Next is the expression such as this. This is not polynomial because 2 by x, we write 2 by x, x raised to the power -1. 2 by x को हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, x को x raised to the power -1. तो यहाँ x की पावर कैसी है, नेगेटिव, और वेरिएबल की पावर नेगेटिव है, तो वो क्या नहीं है, वो हमारा पोलिनोमियल नहीं है. ओके, if non-negative then this is a polynomial, otherwise it is not a polynomial. Next point is degree of polynomial. What is the degree of a polynomial? The highest power of the variable in a polynomial is called the degree of the polynomial. Highest power of variable. For example, if we have an expression of this type, this is an algebraic expression and there are 4 terms more than trinomial, so this is polynomial, and there are power of variable. Students, we count power of variable in this term, 3 power of x and 2 power of y, then total power of variable there is 5. There is 1 power of x and 3 power of y, then total power of variable there is 4, and there is total power of variable 6. So this is the polynomial, and degree of this polynomial is 6 because greater degree, highest power of the variable in polynomial is called a degree of the polynomial. So in this algebraic expression, in this polynomial, degree of variable is 6. So this is 6 degree polynomial. Degree of polynomial in one variable. An algebraic expression contains only one variable, जिसमें सिर्फ एक वेरिएबल x में हो या y में हो या z में हो, किसी में भी only one variable is called polynomial in one variable. तो वो polynomial हमारा one variable में होगा और वहाँ हम उसी वेरिएबल की हाईएस्ट पावर चेक करेंगे और वो हमारी क्या कहलाएगी, डिग्री ऑफ पोलिनोमियल इन वन वेरिएबल. ओके, next is degree of polynomial in 2 or more variable, same as it is like this. Degree of polynomial in 2 or more variables, we count degree of both the variable. If there are 3 variables, then we count the degree of all 3 variables. Next point is linear polynomial. What is linear polynomial? If the degree of polynomial is 1, then the polynomial is called a linear polynomial. किसी भी polynomial में जो variable की highest power 1 है तो वो हमारा linear polynomial होगा. Highest power 1. If there is an expression 2x plus 5, then highest power of variable is 1. So this expression is a linear polynomial. 7 minus 3y, highest power of variable is 1. So this is linear. Highest power of variable z 1. So this is a linear polynomial. Okay. If the degree of polynomial is 1, then the polynomial is called a linear polynomial. Next is a quadratic polynomial. A polynomial with degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. A polynomial with degree 1 is linear, but a polynomial with degree 2 is called quadratic polynomial. For example, we have an expression and highest power of variable 2. There is power 1, there is power 2, then highest power of variable is 2. So this is quadratic polynomial, 2-degree polynomial. Next is cubic polynomial. When the highest power of variable is 3, then this is cubic polynomial. For example, in this expression, there is the highest in the power of variable 3, power of variable 2, power of variable 1, and but highest power is 3. So this is cubic polynomial in one variable. Okay, students. Now we start exercise 11.1. And this exercise is simply based on a basic concept. First is which of the following are constant and variable? Which are constant and which are variable? Students, in this expression 2 plus x, this is 3 minus x, x plus yz, root 3, 2 plus root 5. We find in all the terms which are constant and which are variable. जिस constant कौन से होंगे? जो fixed value लेंगे. This is variable because there is given variable. There is also variable. This is also variable. Root 3 is constant. 2 plus root 5 only numerical value. Then this is constant. This is variable. This is variable. 2 3 by 4. This is mixed fraction, but this is only numerical value. So this is a constant. This is a numerical. Minus 5 is constant. 7 minus 2 is constant. 8 minus 3x is a variable. 3x plus 4y is variable. 2x square y plus divided by 2z is a variable. Okay. In first question, we separate constant and variable. In second question, how many terms are there in each of the following polynomials? We find number of terms. Number of terms in first expression, terms separated by plus or minus sign only. Okay, so there are one term, second term and third term. In this expression there are total 3 terms. In this expression total 3 terms. In this expression 1 2 3 4, because these are separated by plus minus sign. 1 2 3 4, so there are total 4 terms. In this expression ax multiply by, this is only 1 because terms separated by plus or minus sign only, not a multiplication. In multiplication this is only 1 term, and 8 minus 3 this is 5. Then ax plus by divided by 5, this is on ax multiply, this is only 1 term. There is only 1 term, and in this expression there are total 2 terms. Okay, next question. Question number 3. Which of the following algebraic expression are monomial, binomial and trinomial? Student, if any expression having only 1 term, monomial, 2 term, binomial, and 3 terms, that is trinomials. Okay. In first, there is only 1 term. All are in multiplication. So this is only 1 term, and in term this is a monomial. This is a monomial. Next, this is also only 1 term. In this expression only 1 term, because these are the only there is separated by only division. Okay, so in division this is only 1 term, but this is a 2 term. There are 2 terms. If there are 2 terms, then this is a binomial. In this expression 1 2 3 4, there is not 1 term, no 2 term, no 3 terms, and this is have many terms. So this is a polynomial. Neither monomial, binomial and a trinomial. This is a polynomials. Okay, this is a polynomial. Next is this. There is only 1 term, and if there is 1 term, then this is monomial. Next, this is 1 and this is 1. So then there are total 2 terms. If there are 2 terms, then this is a binomial. Next is there are 1 and 2. How many terms in this expression? If we write this, then 3x cube plus, these are separated by plus sign. So first we write 3x by 7 and next is 5 by 7. So 1, 2 and 3. There are total 3 terms. If there are 3 terms, then this is a trinomial. Okay. Next, in this many terms. If there are many terms, then this is a polynomial. Okay. First is monomial. Second is monomial. Second and third is binomial. This is polynomial. This is fifth is monomial, and this is, there are 2 terms, then binomial. There are 3 terms, then this is trinomial, and this is polynomial. Next is question number 4. Write the numerical as well as literal coefficient each of the following monomial. We find the numerical and literal coefficient of in this monomial. First is in this expression. Numerical coefficient is 3 by 7. 3 by 7 is a numerical coefficient, and a square b cube c is a literal coefficient, या variable coefficient. Okay. In this expression, -7 is numerical coefficient and p q r square is a literal coefficient. In this expression, 4 by 3 is a numerical coefficient, and 1 by x square y is a 1 by x square y is a literal coefficient. Okay. In this expression, first we write this 3x square multiply 7y divided by 4z, that is 7 3 21 x square y by 42, then 21 by 42. Sorry student, this is 4z, this is 4z, not 42. Then 21 by 4, 21 by 4 is a numerical coefficient, and x square y by z is a literal coefficient. Okay. In this expression, -3 by 4, numerical coefficient, and pa by by, this is a literal coefficient. In this expression, -3 by 4 is a numerical coefficient, and x square y is a literal coefficient. Okay. Next question. In next question, question number 5. Write down the degree of each of the polynomial given below. We find the degree of the polynomial. Okay. Find the degree of the polynomial. Highest power of the variable is degree of the polynomial. Okay, so first we find in this expression highest power of a variable. There is power 3, there is power 2, there is power 1. Then highest power is 3. So degree of this polynomial is 3. These are only simple questions, only based on simple concept. 2x square y minus 5y cube 4 by xy plus root 7. We write the degree of this polynomial, but this is not polynomial. What is polynomial? Student, there is a condition for polynomial. What is the condition? Variables power non-negative. Okay, but there is variable power xy minus 1. If there is negative power, so this is not a polynomial. This is not a polynomial. Okay. Next, there is total power of variable 2 plus 4 6. Total 6 plus 2 8. There is power 5 plus 1 6. There is 1 power. Then highest power is 8. So this is 8 degree polynomial. Next, in question number 6, in 3 by 11 x cube y square z4, write the coefficient of the following. In first 3 by 11, we write the coefficient of 3 by 11 in this expression. Student, what is the coefficient? Remaining part of 3 by 11. If we find the coefficient of 3 by 11, then the remaining part, this complete is the remaining part, then coefficient of 3 by 11 is x cube y square and z4. This is the coefficient of 3 by 11. Next, coefficient of x cube, remaining part, after that x cube, we left x cube, हम x cube को छोड़ के बाकी जो पार्ट है वो इसका क्या कहलाएगा? कोफिशिएंट. x cube को छोड़ के बचा 3 by 11 y square z4. This is the coefficient of x cube. Next, coefficient of y square, remaining part 3/11 x cube z4. This is the coefficient of y square. Next, coefficient of z4. Remaining part of z4, 3/11 x cube y square. 3/11 x cube y square. This is the coefficient of z4. Next is x cube y square. X cube y square. Then remaining part 3/11 z4. 3/11 z4. Okay. X cube y square z4. X cube y square z4. Remaining part is 3/11. So coefficient of this is 3/11. 3/11 x cube z4. Then remaining part is y square. Then coefficient of this y square. 3/11 y square. Then remaining part is x cube z4. Okay, this is the coefficient of this. In next question, question number 7. Write the coefficient of xy in 7/4 xyz square. Write the coefficient of xy in this expression when the remaining part of xy 7/4 z square. Coefficient of xy is 7/4 x z square. This is the coefficient of xy. 9c. First we divide this 9c. Then coefficient of 9c a square b. Next, coefficient of 3x square. Coefficient of 3x square. In this expression, this is 3x square. And coefficient of 3x square, there is -1. So coefficient of this -1. 6 in this coefficient of 6 ax. Coefficient of 6 in this expression is ax. There is 6 and remaining part is ax. So coefficient of 6 in this expression ax. Students, we take only this term, which term include 6, not other terms. Then coefficient of 6 only, multiplication remaining part of 6. Only this, not and this. Next is question number 8. Make a group 4 of like terms together. Which terms are like terms? Terms are like term. जिन टर्म्स के जो लीटर्स पार्ट्स वेरिएबल्स पार्ट्स इक्वल हैं वो हमारे क्या कहलाएंगे? वेरिएबल कोफिशिएंट इक्वल है वो हमारी लाइक टर्म्स होंगी. A4ABC AB cube -3/2CAB. Students, this and this are like term. Okay, because variable coefficient ABC, variable coefficient ABC. This is this like term, and there is coefficient AB cube. This and this are like term. Okay. Next, 7PQ square R. This is P square QR. This is PQ square R. This is P square. Then these are not Q square RP. This coefficient of this PQ square R, PQ square R. So this and this are like term, and P square QR, P square QR. This and this are like term. Okay. Next, X square Z cube. X square Z cube. This X square Z cube. X square Z cube. So this and this like XY square Z cube. XY square Z cube. XY square Z cube. These three are like term. Okay, because variable coefficient are equal. So this student, this is our exercise 11.1. With the help of this video, these are only basic concept, and in this exercise only basic concept of this chapters. So you complete this exercise in your notebook.